action.
Action.
Desiree's Clubhouse, come join the fun. I have my baby lions here, and I have 14 of them, and we're going to talk about how the hurricane is going. And G, which is Pumpkin's mom used to be, and Uncle Jeff used to be Pumpkin's dad.
And what did they do?
They give sandbaggings.
Great. And what else?
Water.
Oh, yes. Yes, water. And what else?
A grill.
Yes.
I know it right in my mind.
And what else is going on today?
Hurricane Irma is going west.
It is very smart.
And Hurricane Jose too.
We hope so. And what have you been doing today?
We are setting up a video. Yeah, that's right. We're setting up a video.
You know what? I'd love to see Desiree's dress. Can you stand up and do a twirl for us?
Yep, I sure can.
Ooh, it's so pretty.
I want to do a twirl. I never tried to do one. Okay, watch this. That was a good one.
Well, what else do you have to say to your subscribers today, Desirae?
Well, you're the best subscriber.
Should they stay safe during the hurricane?
Yes, that's safe.
Should they stay inside?
Yep.
Should they go to the intersection of the house if they hear a big old train coming?
Yeah. Watch me do a headstand.
And should they have all their insurance information with them wherever they're at?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, say goodbye because
Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe to Desiree's Clubhouse channel and have a great morning and a great day. Goodbye. Thanks for subscribing.